Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how the user can perform identity verification and reuse that identity verification in any bank. So for example, this is the bank application um, where the user come and they register their new identity. So I can just click on the register ID and it do the liveness check, and there are basically few steps I need to go through by giving some basic information about me. So it's like information about personal information about date of birth, um, and the phone number. So it basically checks all the data against the phone number and your date of birth, whether you own this phone number, and by checking your social accounts and by doing OTP verification. And you just need to verify the OTP. Once you verify the OTP, you will see the data uh, which is coming on your screen. You can confirm the details which is shown on the screen. If you want to change, you can also edit, but it seems to be good for me. And I click on the confirm and complete verification. Now I need to set up a vault basically to store these credentials, to store this data in that through this pin, and this only accessible through this pin. So I'm just configuring one vault with the secure pin. So I'm just entering the pin and confirming that. Yep, and the registration is completed. And we can share this data with any bank. So if I go to the bank application, for example, which is on my screen, which is, for example, Nexus Private Bank, which is asking my identity, and by showing this QR code, so I can reuse the credentials or reuse the KYC data that just have registered with this application on the mobile phone, and I can reuse that uh, and share that with the bank whenever they ask. So I click on in the in the right hand side, you're seeing the mobile app screen. Since I'm casting this from my Android phone, and you're seeing this desktop application, which is a bank application. So when I click on share verifiable identity and click on the scan QR code button, I'm scanning the QR code of that bank, and basically I'm unlocking my vault where the data is stored. So I'm unlocking with the same pin which I have set up initially. And now you're seeing the data on the mobile phone, that whatever the data which is pulled from my vault with the from that pin. I'm selectively choosing the information which is needed for the bank. So it's a selective disclosure feature, which is basically by selecting attributes, you can share what information you want to share with the bank or not. So I'm selecting only 3 attributes now, and I'm sharing that with the bank, and immediately you will see all those 3 data which I have selected are shared with the bank. And in this way you're sharing the selective data which is in your control, and you're using the identity that you have created once and sharing that with the banks. Thank you so much.